Welcome to Henry's Show. Hi, I'm your friend Henry. Today we're continuing short vowel A. We're in Unit 2. We learned Unit 2 in student's book already in episode 3. Now we're doing episode 4, level 2, workbook, Unit 2, short vowel A. Now this is a can, so we circle C because it begins with C. C plus N is just follow C-A-N, can. You don't need to follow this, but I'm going to follow this. This is a fan, so fan begins with F. We circle F, write F, and write fan. The ending word is N and starting word is M. So we have to circle M. But some people think that in this question we need to circle N. If they write N, it's Nan. I think they won't do that, but I think they will do that somebody. So if you circle N, it's not correct. It's a little tricky. It is a little tricky, but it's not that tricky. Number 4, it is a band, so it begins with B. But look, if you take out and do this, it is D. And if you take out this and do this, it is B. If it is same and they turn it different way. So it is bat. And number 5, it is cat. So you have to do cat because cat begins with C. Okay, hat begins with H. So write H, write hat. Okay, let's turn the page. Circle the correct word. Number 1, fan. Yes, this is a fan, so we can trace on it. Number 2, mat. We have to trace it, and we also need to circle because it is a mat, so we need to trace a line in there. Number 3, it is a pan. Great. Number 4, it is a ram. Yes, something is in Unit 1, so it will be really tricky. So you have to watch episode 1 first before you watch episode 4. Number 5, it is a hat, right? Number 6, it is a lap. Now, trace and read. Okay, let's just read by tracing. Can, ran, tan, van. Yes, we learn ran, tan, van. Okay, ran means running, run, past tense. Okay, in run, I am doing it now. If I am running, but in ran, I ran yesterday. What had happened ran. And tan, like little skin. If in another country, if it is sunny and summer all day long, it will be tan, because if it's summer a lot, our skin will get dark, so it is called tan. In van, is this like a car, but it's a little big. Yes, we use van when we go camping, usually, I think. In act, we have bat, fat, rat, sad. We have another word I told you, we have fat. It means little heavy. Heavy. Fat. Okay, rat is sat. Wait, sit past tense is sat. I sat on the chair yesterday, but if it is now, I'm sitting on the chair. Number 1, can. Number 2 is a bat, so this is a bat. Number 3, fan. Number 4, cat. Number 5, man. He is a man. Number 6, hat. Number 7, pan. In pan, we cook something and it will get warm. But if we cook, do it get warm? No, it is just nothing. So if you put something to be warm and eat, and if you take some cold things and make it warm again, I think we can still make it warm. And if they eat, they will eat. Oh, it is so cold. They're really angry if they put in a jar. Wow. It is a pan, okay? If it is a pan, no. Okay? Mat. This is a math. Great. Let's turn to page. We have to circle. We have to find this bat. And number 2, we have to find can. Where is it? Up there. Number 5. Man, you can also highlight. I love highlighting, but I'm still just circling because I only bring pencil. Number 4 is mat. Number 5, pan. Number 6, map. Right, let's draw. We have can. We have man. Let's draw man. Okay, now next, what can we draw? We can draw mat. Let's draw squares so they can sleep. Number 1 is an, can. Let's write 2 more. Can. This is an, fan. Number 3, this is a man. Man. Number 4, this is a pan. Number 5, this is a bat. Number 6, this is a cat. Number 7, this is a hat. Number 8, this is a mat. Next time we're going to learn Unit 3, here at Vowel E in Workbook Level 2, Smart Phonics 2. So get ready to learn Unit 3. If you don't, I don't know what he's talking about. I don't know anything. So you won't be smart, okay? So be prepared. See you next time. Bye.